Hey everybody, welcome back to video number 3 of the white label settings series. In this video, we're going to talk through the custom styling tab. This goes for the login page that your clients might log into and or the sign up page, as well as the color scheme inside of the dashboard once your clients are in your white label platform. Going through some of the styling here, we have a couple of different options to add your logo. So you'll see on the right hand side that the preview of the logo pops up. This will always be your logo that you have uploaded. And then you also have options for the footer here. So in the preview, again, you can see the footer placement. That will always say your business name and everything that you have designated in the previous videos. Form position, you can decide to go right or left. Majority of people leave it as the right hand side. And then I would highly recommend replacing the image of the AI generated guy that we have so far. So I'm going to go ahead and show a couple options of this. Obviously this is all testing, but you'll be able to see here exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and upload those two images here, and so you'll be able to see the login preview as well as the sign up preview. The only differences between these pages is whether or not clients are creating a free account or if clients are logging into your portal. So we'll go ahead and click on update. And then the last thing here is the color scheme of the dashboard. Right now you'll notice that the primary color of the theme is blue, and then you have a couple different options when we throw flags for warnings and things like that. Those are some of the differences, but you can change it to be red or green or another version of a blue. So a couple of different options here for the moment, and then you'll want to click update, and that is all. So that's everything for the custom styling tab here. In the next video, we are going to cover the Stripe integration. Thanks.